What part of Long Island are you from?
Stable.
Anytime she goes away.
Good morning, young Roms. Welcome to probably what is going to be my favorite video of the entire year of 2026. We are coming at you with a 6.6 and a 7.0 two-board quiver right now because it is Hurricane Winter Storm Fernanda, and the whole East Coast, Midwest is getting dumped on with snow. This giant snowstorm that seems to be affecting like the whole US is gonna pop out over the coast. It's gonna spin east winds back towards the East Coast and give us just epic waves. And I think a point break that I've been dreaming to surf double overhead might go off. I don't know if it'll actually be double overhead, but it could be really big. And this is the two-board quiver I'm going with. A 6.6 Witcher from Arc Surfboards and my 7.0 Ceph Triaxone. So we are super fired up, and stay tuned because I think this is gonna be a legendary vlog.
Just a little hobbit going to the air with my first. Ready?
3, 1.
The tree? That was our best one yet. Oh my god.
Young Groms, we are heading out right now to face the winter storm of literally the decade. It is gonna be absolutely bombing. There's snow coming down. I was out in my snow gear digging out the car, and I'm about to show you what it looks like out here. This is all the other cars. This is where I was. I just pulled it out when I was in my snow gear before. We are about 35% of the way there. The wind is ripping. I don't know if it's gonna be offshore when we get there, but the roads actually aren't that bad. It is 7:24 in the morning and incoming tide is right now. So it might be kind of full when we get there and the wind goes offshore, but we're just hyped. I literally had to switch into this shift to surf today, and I had to work an extra shift on top of the shift I swapped. So I worked super hard to make this happen, but we got off on a snow day. Thank you to Dr. Wyatt Horner for coming in and working my shift in a snowstorm so I can surf. We're fired up and let's get out there. We don't know what the waves are gonna be like. We don't even know if like the spot we're gonna try to surf is plowed, but we're just gonna get out there and try to do our best.
I think it needs some time. Definitely looks like it has a lot of potential though. Gonna definitely turn on later.
We are coming at you from Winter Storm Fernanda. The snow is coming down. It just shifted offshore. I got my 6.5 Isurus on. I'm breaking out the 6.4 Solite mittens, and I'm taking out my 7.0 Arc surfboard. So we're super fired up. I don't have to work today, and we're about to go rip some waves. Let's ride.
This is gonna be a shitty paddle out.
barely talk. That paddle back up the hill. That paddle back up the dog. Shane just told me we were literally in the water for like 3-4 hours. The walk back up the cliff is brutal. Yeah, my right hand got cold, but obviously it didn't stop us. The only thing stopping me right now is trying to talk and vlog, and my lips are literally frozen. But yeah, that was such a fun day. Everyone give a huge shout out and a follow to Shane, because he literally stood on the cliff, freezing cold, in shoes, not even boots. I think I can talk I can talk slightly better right now without the hood on, but yeah, that was absolutely epic. We need to get changed, and as always, we'll see you on the next swell.